This is the hottest shit on the planet, nigga. BIRD&RICO.
Alright.
Pay attention. Okay, let me look in the mirror. Make sure I got my notes right. Smell like money. Jury's gonna get tonight. Yeah. I know we gonna get some more handles tonight. You already know that. Entertainment. BIRD&RICO. Chillin' in the club with your girl, get her smoke on. We get her drink on, she get her roll on. We soak those hoes. Fucked up behind her tent with my locs on. Chillin' in the club with my niggas, get her smoke on. We get her drink on, they get that roll on. We soak those hoes. Faded in this club, you can hate it if you want, but your lady in this club and I'm feeling on her butt. I'm like, yeah, girl, won't you do your dance for me? Yeah, we gon' get jumping like a jumper. Let's sipping from this cup, get your cushion lighted up. Jingle triple stack and watch her flip like acrobatics. Got my Cartier's on, in my zone and I can barely see. DJ play my song, you gon' see how they react. They turn up like you never seen. I'm on another level. And when I leave the club, I'm gonna leave it covered with. I didn't bring my cellular, cause I ain't got no time for this. Get it? I'm fucked up behind the shit. Yeah. Fucked up behind dark tan, do my locs on. Chillin' in the club with your girl, get her smoke on. We get her drink on, she get her roll on. We soak those hoes. Fucked up behind dark tan, do my locs on. Chillin' in the club with my niggas, get her smoke on. We get her drink on, they get that roll on. We soak those hoes. Tonight is going down. I'm smoking on that loud. I'm floating on the cloud. Ain't no coming down. I step inside the club and I buy a couple rounds. My hair blockers on and it's women all around. Yeah. So you know it's time to party. Yeah. We gon' get it crackin', get it started. Posted up, chillin' in the back. It's where we at. So don't you ever miss, babe, because my pistol is intact. Business entertainment. I'm early in the morning and it's cooking up a hit record for all you people snoring. So I guess they sleeping on us, but we bout to wake them up. It's BIRD&RICO blasting through those speakers. DJ crank it up. Come on, crank it up. Some more, crank it up. Some more, crank it up. Pulled up behind dark tan with my locs on. Chillin' in the club with your girl, get her smoke on. We get her drink on, she get her roll on. We soak those hoes. Fucked up behind dark tan with my locs on. Chillin' in the club with my niggas, get her smoke on. We get her drink on, they get that roll on. We soak those hoes.
Alright.
Let's do it.
About business entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. Never had anybody blowing your phone up? All they wanna do is
All she wants to do is call. It's obvious I don't want you at all. Why you nagging me? Stop calling me. Quit texting me. Just get the message, please. Ain't no history. It's the secret sauce. Baby, it's for me. We history. just chill together right here. My baby brother, just you and me. So live, baby, we should make a film together right here. My baby brother, just you and me. So girl, do your thing. Go girl, it's all you and me. It's your world, just come get me. Proceed.
Okay, no time to waste now. You can party hard and just hang out. So go girl, the world is your playground. Say wow. I'm like, how did you fit in that? Shawty got an incredible body, now picture that. Shawty gotta be edible for me to eat a cat. Sipping on this Bacardi, I know she gon' give us ass. So live, I hit it from both sides. So wild, we hit it like both times. My God, she think it 4 times. If this is a show, girl, I know that it's showtime. 1 time for my ladies in the skinny jeans. 2 times for my women who be getting clean. On the count of 3, we can celebrate, baby. Uno, dos, tres.
So fine, baby, we can just chill together right here. Brother, just you and me. So live, baby, we should make a film together right here. Brother, just you and me. So girl, do your thing. So girl, you and me. It's your world. Just come to me. Proceed.
I like that vibe.
This is the hottest shit on the planet, nigga. BIRD&RICO. Pay attention.
Let go. Yeah. So y'all feeling that so far?
Oh yeah.
Everybody out there who got a dream will try to be successful.
Let me show you what we gonna do here real quick.
Yeah, let's do it. Let go.
Hey, so dangerous. BIRD&RICO on the front trying to get famous. You ain't seen 2 Jesus and why like this? You ain't heard 2 Jesus on it. Why like this goes? It's so dangerous. BIRD&RICO on the front trying to get famous. You ain't seen 2 Jesus and why like this? You ain't heard 2 Jesus on it. Why like this goes? Okay, we got children trying to get it. BIRD&RICO on the truth and ain't nobody messing with us. And if somebody try to tell you different, they a lie. We 2 brothers on this earth that's trying to make it before we die. Cause I don't really hear the gossip when they say that we can't do it. We just motivate our minds, stick beside it and pursue it. Anytime we get an obstacle, we overcome it. Every time we get $1, we turn it into 100. So nothing is impossible. Impossible's irrelevant. Just label us unstoppable. Cause all we do is get it in. And if you got a dream, know that you can achieve it by just believing. So don't you give up on nothing, cause you can obtain anything. Hey, so dangerous. BIRD&RICO on the front trying to get famous. You ain't seen 2 businessmen. Why like this? You ain't heard 2 gentlemen. Why like this goes? It's so dangerous. BIRD&RICO on the front trying to get famous. You ain't seen 2 businessmen. Why like this? You ain't heard 2 gentlemen. Why like this goes? Yeah. AB Entertainment.